We have an absolutely wonderful 1966 Pontiac GTO. I absolutely love the colors, and so does most everybody else. It's even prettier in person. I bought this at a show in Florida out in the sun, and that's all everyone was talking about was the colors. And it was born this way. This is a Pontiac Historical documented car. I have a binder with the original order form and invoices and literature in here. Uh, Palmetto Green, no vinyl top, parchment interior. This is the way it was born. It's a body off frame restored, number match 389 motor, automatic, factory air, power steering, power brakes. I just pulled it in here. It runs so smooth. It just a fantastic car. Go to volocars.com. You can see 200 fantastic cars. All will have price tags and monthly payments, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, I like this one. If we were to close shop today and I could keep 10 cars, this would absolutely be one of them. Yeah, beautiful palmetto green. The metal flake is all laid out, so we got a nice wet glossy finish. You got the scooped GTO hood. All of this is really nice. I like the little ridges on top of the fenders. All this is clean, straight. Here's a nick on the very edge of the door, but this is smooth along here. That gap is spot on the money. Oh, it opens so easily. Shuts like a new car. All of this is fantastic. The quarter panels, all of this is clean, straight, beautiful metal. All lines up nice. I love the little eyelids over the tail lights. Very cool. All looking fantastic. See all the way down here, all around the trim here. It's just smooth, clean, nice lines. Look at that gap. It doesn't get any better than that right there. Door jambs are glossy, smooth, beautiful, outstanding. If you're inspecting the car, if you're waxing the car, there's little couple little fish eyes in the paint. There might be a couple little flaws. The car is gorgeous though. The arrowhead looks new. Up front, the chrome is just glistening. The stacked headlight bezels, the bumper, the grills look to be in really nice shape. The lenses are nice and clear. That's all beautiful. Has one white pinstripe. I love the emblems on this GTO. The red, 6.5 liter. The glass crystal clear. The windshield must be new. The vent window frame is shiny and smooth. All the stainless trim is shiny and straight. Even the trim on top of the doors, the door handles, the rocker moldings, beautiful. Look at the Rally 1 wheels with the reproduction Firestone red lines. Perfect on this car. The emblems are all nice and sparkly. All the trim back here. Even the key lock is polished. And those are factory exhaust tips. They're called exhaust extensions. Those are a factory option. Car's absolutely beautiful. Got a remote mirror. All right, let's continue the tour inside and under the hood. I'm genuinely excited right now. I really like this car a lot. And this will not disappoint. Look how nice the paint, the sticker. It does have a trunk light, but the bulb's taken out of it. The jam is clean as can be, so has the numbers and the factory welds, new weather strip. And then look inside how spotless it is, all clean metal, neatly spatter painted. Has the two-piece mat, the rear seat divider, has a spare, the jack assemblies underneath there. Everything's clean, the wiring, the tail light housings. That's what I call clean and complete. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the videos are posted. Visit volocars.com as well. All sorts of stuff on there that'll amaze you. The jams are just about as slick as the car. Weather strips are replaced. It's a parchment interior. It's kind of a pearly white color. Looks like it's all been replaced. The door panels, the armrests, the window cranks, the handles all look real sharp. The dash has been restored. Starting over here, the paint's nice, the chrome bezel, the dash pad. The whole instrument panel, you see all the chrome is shiny, the wood grain's real nice, even the gauges are nice and clean. Quartz movement in the clock. It does have a retro stereo in the factory hole. Has wood grains loose over in this corner. Factory air conditioned car. Look how nice that is. You got the grab bar. There's another name for that, but I can't say it. Nice clean glove box. Kick panels are real nice. The carpet, GTO mats, all beautiful. Real nice center console, the original console. Just look how clean everything is. I'm going to give you an example of some of the paperwork. Here's the invoice. Here's the original folder. And there'll be copies of this on our website. The thank you letter, the order form, and then we have the PHS papers too. So the seats feel great. They're rebuilt. They're reupholstered. You see the wrinkles in the seat? Neither do I, because there are none. It's real nice. All nice, clean. Light on the back of the console works. Original seat belts. They're dated 1966. Wall to wall, this is replaced. The upholstery, the armrest, side panels, all redone. It's got a nice headliner. You can't see it, but that sail panel on that side's got some wrinkles in it. Dome light works. This is excellent. It has the mirror package. So it's got a vanity mirror, a day and night mirror, got the little lever there, and the remote mirror. Steering wheel is in really nice shape, but there are some cracks, but you know, it's almost okay because it's all shiny and smooth and glossy. And I wanted to show you this. That's an option back then. Hazard lights. The trim around the pedals, I believe, was an option. All right, let's go check out the motor compartment now. So they didn't actually have matching VIN number in 66, so you can match up the codes and the dates, which this all aligns properly. It's a 389 making 335 horsepower. All painted the Pontiac blue. And you might have noticed inside on the turn signal lever is cruise control, and it does have cruise control. It's an aftermarket thing someone must have put on there. I'm telling you, this is a cruiser. This isn't, it was smooth when I pulled it in. This is, if you want a muscle car, but yet you just want to go for a nice, comfortable ride, that's this car. All stock, the valve covers, the air cleaner, again, the color, look at the fuel filter, factory air conditioned. Everything is neat, tidy, proper, all real nice. The clean metal, the phosphate colored hinges. Here's the washer bottle. The rubber flaps are still in place. You got the right shroud. The radiator looks clean. All very nice. Battery is properly secured. Spring clamp cables. The fan, the alternator look new. And again, it has power steering and power brakes, making it just a sweetheart of a car to drive. And all the components, everything looks like they're in place. They all look clean. The original tag, hood insulation. All right, Michael's going to show you how nice and smooth this runs, and we'll see you back in a few minutes.
All right, everybody. This car is absolutely gorgeous. I'll just start off by saying that the color combination, absolutely to die for, and it looks tremendous out in the sunlight. But it does have a 389 under the hood and a Power Glide automatic transmission for the drivetrain. I've had absolutely no issues with it at all. I got in it, I didn't even pump the gas, and it started right up for me. I started it 3-4 times since then, and it has been really amazing. Our shop thought it was an amazing car too. We had a very small bill of just about $2,000 on it, and a lot of that was just tied up in detail and gussing it up, tinkered with a few minor things. You can absolutely talk to our sales guys and they'll give you the details on that. Power steering works so easy on this car. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's literally one finger power steering. It does have air conditioning, and it does have power brakes as well as cruise control, which I already took the car for a loop around the block, and the cruise control is working. So that is a very nice option to have. This is a really classy muscle car, you know, a gentleman's muscle car, if you will. It's just tremendous. I'm really fond of this car so far. So yeah, let's see what she's got. And just like that, up to about 60 miles an hour, absolutely no problem. I did notice that our speedometer is kind of flipping a little bit. We'll go ahead and put in a work order for that. But all the rest of the gauges are working correctly, including the clock, which is a rarity for us. So that just keeps ticking away. Just a great experience. The motor runs great, and I can't say enough about it. It's a fantastic vehicle. Someone's really gonna love this one and have just a great cruiser. Yeah. So contact our sales department if you want to come take it for a test drive yourself, and check out all the details on our website, volocars.com.
Underneath is outstanding. The first thing I'll talk about are the floors. They're done in gloss black and they look immaculate. They're beautiful. Everything was restored to original. All the suspension, steering, all restored, all correct. There's not coilover shocks or any of that stuff on this one here. Although it does have a nice stock exhaust system, the actual mufflers were upgraded to a stainless steel muffler. And then it even has the resonators in the tailpipes in back, which usually you don't see people taking it that far. But all the brakes, the lines, the fuel lines, e-brake cables, that all looks like it's been replaced. The fuel tank's been replaced. In the folder, he took it to the dealer still in 1966, and he paid to have them put air shocks on the back. Well, when they redid the car, they did put air shocks on there. They're not the original ones from 66, but they did put air shocks on there, which I thought was kind of cool. You look up at the motor, it's clean Pontiac blue, the starter, the flywheel cover, all that's proper. The Power Glide automatic looks nice and fresh. The drive shaft looks like it's restored. Goes back to its original rear end with a 308. Again, a cruising gear. The rear end's all painted. It's the original rear end. Just a nice car. If you're at the point where you would like the old muscle car nostalgia and you want to turn the key and go for a nice comfortable cruise, this is it. And these colors, I promise you, are going to set it apart from anything else at the show. Red GTO is beautiful, but you just don't see this. And then with the white interior, it's perfect. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer your questions, like how you're going to get your GTO delivered home, how to get financing if you need that. Thanks for watching.